Hey everyone, Dr. Zeta at the Z Center for Cosmetic Health in Sherman, California. We're going to do a Sculptra treatment today. Sculptra is a collagen stimulator. It can be used on the face and on the body. So it comes in powder form in vials like this. The number of vials you will need depends on the area that we're treating. What we do is we dilute this out with water for injection. So when it's been diluted out, it looks something like this. So we use different dilutions for different parts of the body that we're treating. So this is what we've diluted it to for the special dilution that we're gonna use. So we'll get to the treatment now. All right, so we got the elbows here, which we're gonna start with. I marked kind of the boundaries out for you in case you can't see, but it's clearly there. This is all the loose skin that we're gonna be treating. We're gonna inject the Sculptra in here, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna stimulate collagen production over time and soften these wrinkles here. It can take up to 6 months after the treatment to see the results, but results can be seen in as early as 6 weeks. There's numbing in the Sculptra, and she's already been prepped and sterilized. So we're done with this side here. The improvement that you see right now is just from the fluid. So we're gonna do a 5-minute massage to make sure it all disperses nicely. And she's gonna do this at home also for 5 days. And then we'll track her along and see the results. So now we're gonna treat the little cellulitic dimpling that she has here. Cellulite is 2 components. It's fibrous bands that pull on the skin and tether the skin, creating these little dimples, and then it's pockets of fat that get compartmentalized within it. What I'm gonna do with the Sculptra is I'm gonna go in with the needle, break up some of these bands, and by injecting the Sculptra, we'll get collagen building, which will then lessen their appearance. Okay, get ready. So this process is actually called subcision, where you go and you break up the bands a little bit. And then we just inject tiny amounts of Sculptra. It's important to be in the right layer, because one of the risks with Sculptra is that it can form lumps or nodules. So that's why it's important to inject it in the right layer and then also to massage it afterwards and make sure it disperses evenly. There may be some bruising with this, there may be some swelling, but it all gets better with time, about a week or so. All right. This side's good. Okay. Pause. So that's Sculptra for the elbows and Cellulite of the outer thighs. As you know, the results do take time to develop, So I know summer's just over now, but if you want to look good for next spring and next summer, now's the time to get started. And we're going to have some nice promos coming up. So if you have any questions about the treatment, feel free to contact us.